Guys, back to our YouTube channel. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the T header tool in Termux to add your name to the Termux headers like most YouTubers do in their videos. After using this method, you'll be able to change your name as well as the theme in the Termux application. So guys, launch up your Termux and head up. Make sure to subscribe, comment and share this video for more from our channel. So let's set up and begin. So let's first update and upgrade. Done. Then we should first install Git. If it's not already installed. For me, I'm already installed it, but you should need to install Git. Good. Then I'm going to post the link of the repository below the video. Then you can use this. So once you are in here, once you're you can just do bash. So bash, like that. So now it's installing the packages. After running this script, you will install every required code to run the program. Guys, as it's installing, make sure don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like the videos for more videos, so to support our channel in order to create more videos. It might take some time, but don't worry guys, it is for the better. You see how my Termux will change and everybody will. So guys, when it asks you for this, you say yes, use a Y, then let it to download as you wait. It might take also some time, but don't worry. So this is the part that is very cool. You can choose any name that you want to put. For me, I'm going to use this, Alvin. Then I'm going to enter. So this is the setup that I want, and it's going to be cool. Yeah, as you can see now my Termux is very good, but to tell you that this is really required and everything is working well, we first have to update again. After updating again, we can clear. Yeah, so this is how you make your Termux cool. So next time you open up your Termux, it will look like this, and it is very nice. Yeah, there is no need of remembering the codes that you have already input. So guys, anyways, thanks. If you really like the video, please make sure to like, share and comment for any of the videos that you would like us to post about Termux. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. See you next time.